Do you know how to talk about pet boarding service? Have you ever felt nervous about leaving your pet alone? Maybe you had an important trip. Maybe no one was there to help you. And your heart said, "Who will take care of my pet like I do?" Don't worry. Today, you will learn how to talk about pet boarding service in simple, real-life English. Hello, hi, is this Happy Paws Pet Boarding? Hello, yes. Welcome to Happy Paws. How can I help you today? Actually, I need some help. I have a dog and I need to travel for 5 days. I'm a little worried. I don't know where to keep my dog. Oh, don't worry at all. We're here for you and your pet. We take care of pets like our own family. That sounds really good. Can you tell me what services you offer? Of course, we provide clean and comfortable rooms, healthy and fresh food, daily walks, playtime with other pets, 24/7 care and supervision. Wow, that sounds nice. But will my dog feel comfortable there? Yes, absolutely. We know pets are not just animals, they're family members. We give them love, care, and attention. I understand, but what about safety? What if my dog gets sick? That's a great question. We have a trained vet on call, emergency support, clean and safe environment. Your pet is always protected. Okay, that makes me feel better. Can you tell me the price? Sure, the price depends on size of the dog, number of days, and extra services. Usually it starts from $25 per day. Okay. Do you offer discounts? Yes, we offer discounts for longer stays. Can I visit your place before booking? Of course, you are always welcome. You can come and see everything. Next day, the customer visits the pet boarding center. Hi, I spoke to you yesterday. Oh, yes, welcome. Please come in. Wow, this place looks very clean. Thank you. We clean the rooms every day. This is the play area. Dogs can run, play, and enjoy here. That's great. My dog loves to play. And here is the sleeping area. Each pet has a comfortable space. You know, my dog is like my child. I just want him to be happy. We understand. We promise your pet will feel at home. Okay, I want to book for 5 days. That's wonderful. Can you tell me your pet's name? His name is Bruno. Aw, nice name. Bruno, be a good boy, okay? Don't worry, we will take good care of him. Sometimes leaving your pet is not easy, but trusting the right place makes everything better. Hi, I came to pick up Bruno. Hello, Bruno had a great time. Really? Yes, he played, ate well, and made new friends. Thank you so much. You're always welcome. So now you know how to talk about pet boarding service in simple English. Practice this conversation again and again, and very soon you will speak English confidently.